Middle East International Company is the leader with a heritage of 40 years of experience. We manufacture and develop automated bakery equipment and supplies. The company's operations have expanded with the spread of its branches and agents around the world. Our most important products include fully automated Arabic bread production lines. Spiral mixer. Designed to mix the ingredients, this is the first machine in the Arabic bread production line. Automated dough divider. Features multiple nozzles for precise cutting to produce equally weighted dough pieces. Primary dough proofer. Operates with felt belts, allowing the dough to ferment and rest after the cutting phase. The side doors are made of durable glass that can be opened and closed with a sliding system. Automated dough sheeter. Opens the dough using hard chrome-coated cylinders and is equipped with multiple mills for automatic flour feeding. Final dough proofer. Operates with polyester belts to ferment and rest the dough after sheeting. The side doors are made of durable glass that can be opened and closed with a sliding system. Baking oven, fire chamber. A highly developed oven operating on diesel or gas as requested. It is designed for optimal heat distribution to produce perfect Arabic bread and is excellently insulated to minimize fuel consumption. Cooling conveyor. Cools baked loaves as they exit the oven and transports them to the packing point. The conveyor is made of a special plastic material designed for this purpose. The company has developed a fully automated system to deliver the best performance for Arabic bread production lines, European bread machines, pastry and confectionery machines, mobile ovens, and packaging lines.